Folks, what's up? Ashish here for WP Xbox, and we have the brand new Lumia 540 which was unveiled like 3 days back, and we're going to unbox this device. The device is priced at like 10,200 and it's a 5-inch phone. So that's how the box looked like, and that's how the box is now for all the Lumia devices, flat boxes instead of having the square boxes which was there before. So it comes with 1.2 GHz quad-core processor. That's a plus here for those who are looking for if it was the 200. So that's the device now. We have a black unit available with us. We'll just take it off. And what it reminded me of while I was taking it off was the Lumia 640. Very close to Lumia 640, except like the back and the rear is matte finish. It's like 1+1 black, and then you have Lumia sharp corners instead of round corners. That's the buttons there. They're pretty shiny, and it's almost like Lumia 640, except it's not round, it's not shiny finish and all those stuff. So you have the audio jack on the top, and then you have the charging port in the rear, and well, I don't have the battery right now, so let's take out the battery here. So it has got 2200 mAh of battery. By the way, that's a 720p screen with clear black display. It's there. So the battery is now 2200 mAh, so we'll put it in. We expect it to last a little longer, not like the other one. So it does have clear black display. So for the people who are confusion, it comes with 1 GB of RAM. That's the rear of the phone. It really looks awesome. I don't know, I find it cheesy for some reason. Anyway, so that's the dual SIM, and then you have the SD slot on the top, and we'll put the battery. You need to do it upside down, so you have that Microsoft branding over there. Alright, so now let's put the rear case, which is like all Lumia rear case, not really rock solid, but yep, good to go. So we'll just put it there, and there you go. So that's the camera with LED flash. There's also a front camera, and by the way, you can do 480p recording, 5 megapixel. The rear camera, the front camera is 5 megapixel 480p, while there's 8 megapixel rear camera for taking regular pictures, supports micro SD. So you can see I have the 640, and I'm going to see, this is what I was talking about, side by side. It's all round versus square. So we'll come with detailed comparison later, but let's take a look at the device. It does have a clear black display, so I'm kind of liking it. So while the device boots up and things starts up, this is what you have in the package. You have a charger here, no USB cable. That's the earphones here, regular ones. I'm really not liking what kind of accessory that is coming up with Lumias now. Then you have the manual here, quick guide of Lumia 540 dual SIM. Do read it if you are very much new to Windows Phone. So now that the setup is going to start, so we'll do the basic configuration. I'm going to do it really quick. So you can select your language right here. So do it as a first step, so you don't have to restart. That's something that changed later on. I'm not going to connect to Wi-Fi right now. You have Wi-Fi Sans. You can choose the recommended setting and go on. You can do this time setting and all that. So let's go inside and take a look on what kind of apps here. Now this is going to take some time for installation. So for those who want to take a look at the device a little closer, so that's the matte finish, no shiny. It's different kind of matte. That's what I'm trying to say. It's a different kind of matte. I mean, I don't know. It reminds me of 1+1 all the time. So that's the buttons here. They are pretty much okay. And while this whole thing boots up, we should be doing something else. So let me pick up my 640 and let's do a side-by-side comparison. So you can see the buttons are almost the same. By the left has the 640, the right is the 540. So don't get confused there. So same micro USB chargers, same button stuff, plain left-hand panel, of course, nothing here, and then the 8 megapixel and the camera, almost the same camera here. Now this is funny because Lumia 640 is selling at like 10,990, and while Lumia 540 is going to sell at 10,200. Pretty much funny. It's almost the same device. That is the reason we'll do the comparison when everything okay. So let's wait for the setup to get complete, and it's complete. So I have a few objects to test out the camera as well, my favorite ones. So we'll do a next here, and we'll just finish this off quickly. It took a while. It's like almost like 3-4 minutes. So now you can see there is no Nokia stuff here. So that's the first screen. Let's close. The SIM error always shows up because I don't have the SIM. So of course you have 3 layers of tiles, so that's, you don't have to rearrange. For smaller devices I've seen only 2 all the time. And this is the list of apps, pretty much smooth swiping. So let's take a look at them slowly. So you have Star Sports, then you have Paytm, then you have Ola, then you have Mix Radio, amazing music service by the way there, and then you have Lumia Storyteller, Selfie, Camera, Here Maps, then you have Facebook and pre-installed, you have ClearTrip as well, and that's pretty much all those apps here. And let's go to settings to find out what is the version of was installed. I'm telling you it's Windows Phone 8.1 update 2. That is the reason that's all searchable stuff there. This is the new setting which has come up. You can actually go and search each of them. Let's go to about of the phone and take a look at the version, but that's really not necessary. Oh, Cortana, let's give it a priority. So Cortana is there. You just need to have a right language pack to be installed and it will work out of the box. Now let's take a look at the Lumia camera which is installed on the phone. Two were disappointed. This is not the Lumia camera which you were expecting. The 640 and 640 XL have a one with rich mode. This is not here. Probably not supported, or probably the version will not come over here, I don't know, but this is not the Lumia camera. So let's take a look at the settings quickly here. So the picture, you can just have all these settings, 16:9 ratio. Then you have the video mode. At least you have the audio bass filter available. I'm expecting you have the equalizer as well here. I didn't see, I missed out that in the video. So anyway, so that was the camera, and now let's take a quick picture and see how it turns out on the phone. By the way, looking at the phone and looking at the screen is two complete different things, so don't judge the camera right now. So let's take a look at the picture here. So that's a picture. I would say it's pretty much clear, but again, screen thing always changes and I need to do it a field test. So guys, that was the Lumia 540 unboxing. If you have any questions, you want me to put in a review, please let us know so that we can put it. Of course, we'll do a Lumia 640 and Lumia 540 comparison, including the camera. So no worries there. So guys, thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel, do like this video and share it with your friend who are looking to buy the Lumia 540.